So let's go. Come on. Let's go. Just smack me in the head. Hard as you can. Not pleasure. Just fucking bang the shit out of my head. Bang, bang, bang. I wanna do boo. I want
Where are you going?
You're afraid of me now. You're
Where you going?
Going out on a crazy train. Going out on the rails on a crazy train. What? Alright, I'm done with this shit.
1 minute.
So I'm gonna walk.
1 minute.
I'm gonna walk to 59th Street. I gotta go to 57th and 7th. We should walk, right?
No, I'm gonna go on the train.
Man, this guy we give him the gap. Sure. Go. Here we go.
What, does he look like an American?
No, you got a bomb. One minute. I can get off 42nd. I'll go off 42nd.
Whatever you want to do.
I see that train a-coming, coming down the track. Seeing that train a-coming, I ain't going back. Oh, baby, I see that train a-coming. What?
Where you going?
Now. What?
Where you going? You going to 42nd Street.
I'll go to 42nd. I'll get out. I go over to the end train. Otherwise, if I get out at 57th or 59th, I gotta get out and walk in the street. I'll go to 42nd. Unless you can dance in the streets. Let me tell you something. That fucking girl tonight, that woman,
Yeah.
totally not welcome.